Hi, my name is Anand Kadian and I'm the founder and CEO of Kitmek, which is the world's first educational metaverse. This avatar-based immersive learning environment works on any basic mobile and does not even require the internet. We give $1 subscription plan and poor children get free education through a unique sponsorship program. We delivered a world-class global curriculum from kindergarten to grade 5 via AI teachers in interactive classroom. Children on our platform learn at their own pace and they earn coins while they're learning, and they can spend them on entertainment features in the game itself. The platform took us 2.5 years in making, and over $1 million we've spent so far on it. We launched it 1 week back and we got an overwhelming response from our users of 10,000 plus downloads and a lot of positive reviews on Google. I want to thank Ajman University and Innovation Center for organizing this event and making us showcase our product. Thank you so much.